Makipagkwentuhan naman tayo sa ating guest performer this morning. Let us all welcome live here sa ating studio, VR Caballero and the Knights. Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat and welcome dito sa Rise and Shine Pilipinas. Pero syempre, bago tayo magsimula, magpakilala muna kayo. Bumati na rin sa ating mga ka-RSP VR.
Yes, good morning everyone. Good morning, Fifi. Yan. Thank you so much for inviting us here. And this is VR Caballero and my band members. So meron kaming tinatayong bagong band. So tinatawag namin VR Caballero and the Knights.
The Knights. Sino-sino sila? Ano pangalan ninyo?
Hi, my name is Raymond.
Raymond.
My name is Joshua.
Joshua.
Onin.
Onin. Okay, and?
I'm Les Paul.
Okay, what's with the voice? Ano meron? Ba't ganon? Ganon talaga.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, sige. VR, kwentuhan niyo naman kami tungkol sa bandang inyong itatayo. Ano ba ang genre na gusto ninyo? Bakit The Knights? Tell us more.
Ang itatayo na yung banda ay focus namin yung 80s na songs.
Oh, nice. Okay,
yung mga
okay.
new wave, yung mga 80s love songs. And then hahaluan din namin ng mga bagong kanta. Yan, yung mga love songs. More on love songs, saka yung mga danceable songs.
Ganon. Alam mo si VR, ilang beses ko nakasama dito yan sa studio. Siyempre, even before sa Bagong Pilipinas, and thank you so much for being with us. Pero VR, why did you decide na magkaroon ulit ng banda? Ano ba ang advantage ng pagiging isang member ng banda from being a solo artist?
Kasi sa pandemic na nangyari, yung parang outlet namin lahat actually, yun yung pagkanta, pag-perform. Lalo na yung band ni Raymond na lagi kong kasama ever since 2012.
Okay, so siya nakasama mo na siya. And the rest, hindi pa. So ngayon pa lang ito talagang
This
mabubuo.
year, yes.
VR Caballero. Well, Raymond, gumagawa ka rin ng iyong sariling songs?
Hindi naman po masyado, pero nag-arrange lang po ako ng mga music.
Nag-arrange. Parang areglo.
Opo, areglo.
Ibang version.
Opo,
ganon.
Ako yung gumawa ng original song.
Talaga? Tapos i-areglo niya? Ikaw yung mismo original song, tapos ikaw yung mag-arrange.
Mag-record,
Taray.
yes.
Kayo, anong contribution yung tatlo? Pogi lang.
Sila
Dapat
yung-
ganon.
sila yung instrumentalist namin.
Grabe yung fighting spirit mo for Pogi. Dapat ganon talaga, di ba? So, currently, syempre sabi niyo nagpa-perform na kayo, you're forming it. Pero syempre minsan, parang bago yung soft launch, may mga iba't ibang klase performances na ginagawa. Kumusta naman?
Pag bagong band kasi hindi pa kilala. Sila ang lahat, regularly meron silang gig every night.
Okay, wow.
Except Monday ata. And then ako naman, special events. So sila yung lagi kong kinokontak. Yung sa mga mini concerts at sa mga weddings, normally sila yung contacts ko.
Well, bakit 80s and some of the songs ngayon yung pinili niyo mga kanta?
Kasi sa Pilipinas kasi, karamihan ng mga Pilipino mahilig sa love songs. Yun. Mahilig kahit yung mga Gen Z, karamihan din yan mahilig sa mga love songs. And iba dyan mahilig pa sa mga 80s
Oo,
love
yung mga kanta
songs.
nila, Adi, Arthur Miguel, Arthur Neri. Pero ngayon, ano ba pinagkakabisihan? I understand, meron kayong sariling banda. Tapos ngayon, kasama niyo na si VR, tama ba? Ayun,
Yes po,
so
yes po.
kamusta? Ano yung mga pinagkakabisihan niyo aside from the performances that you do every night except Monday?
Ganun pa rin po.
Ganun pa rin
Opo.
talaga. Saan? Sa Las Piñas?
Ako po, Paranaque, Makati.
Okay. Palipat-lipat
Opo,
kayo.
opo.
Social media accounts para malaman namin kung saan kayo pwede abangan.
Juan Music,
Ayun.
Facebook page.
Alright. Thank you so much. VR Caballero, your social media accounts.
Yes, just follow me on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube, VR Caballero.
Walang kupas, pogi pa rin. Thank you so much sa pagbisita sa amin ngayong umaga. Pero para bigyan muli tayo ng sample ng kanilang talento, ay pakinggan muli natin ang VR Caballero and the Knights.
Did I do what's wrong? You were chained by your own sorrow. In your eyes, there is no more tomorrow. How I hate to see it like this. There is no way you can deny. Tita, tell me the truth. I'm a shoulder you can cry on. Your best friend, I'm the one you must rely on. You're always sure of yourself. Now I see you broken feather. I go looking past you out together. Tiki-tita, you and I know all the heartaches come and they go and start and leave it. You'll be dancing once again, and the pain you left, you will have no time for grieving. Tiki-tita, you and I cry, but the sun is still in the sky and shining above you. Let me hear you sing once more, like you did before. Sing a new song, Tiki-tita. Try once more, like you did before. Sing a new song, Tiki-tita. So the walls came tumbling down, and your love's a blown out candle. Oh, it's gone, and it seems too hard to handle. Tiki-tita, tell me the truth. There is no way you can deny it. I can see that you're all so sad, so quiet. Tiki-tita, you and I know how the heartaches come and they go and start and leave it. You'll be dancing once again, and the pain we left, you will have no time for grieving. Tiki-tita, you and I cry, but the sun is still in the sky and shining above you. Let me hear you sing once more, like you did before. Sing a new song, Tiki-tita. Try once more, like you did before. Sing a new song, Tiki-tita. Try once more, like you did before. Sing a new song, Tiki-tita.